So today we're going to talk about a solution that EMC provide that reduces cost, ensures compliance, looks at legacy application decommissioning within a customer environment, helps with initiatives such as application rationalisation, restructuring, data centre migrations, frees up budget for innovation and new services such as mobile and cloud. So the challenges that our customers face today are really around initially the budget dilemma. So 70% is keeping the lights on. So just 30% is there for innovation. The second area really is data deluge. So a customer's typical data growth is around 30 to 40% a year. This puts a huge strain on IT resources. And the third area is around regulation. So customers are having to retain more data for longer, and all data within a business process, so files, business transactions, voice recordings, and increasingly social media has to be managed in a compliant way throughout its life cycle. So how can companies reduce costs and ensure governance throughout the life cycle? Well, a typical customer environment contains a large number of legacy applications. They usually run on unsupported infrastructure that have usually been superseded by new applications or were part of a merger or acquisition. These are high cost to maintain and low value as they're just supporting compliance and reporting purposes. The active applications support the day-to-day business and are supported by high-end servers, storage and backup systems. As the data being generated grows, so does the cost. This also causes application performance issues as well as difficulties meeting backup windows, and upgrades become more difficult and time-consuming. InfoArchive provides the solution to address both IT optimization and data governance. It ingests any type of data, unstructured, structured and hybrid. It combines technology from across EMC to generate a next-generation archive. The core application from IIG uses RSA technology for data encryption to secure and protect access to data, and offers a range of low-cost, compliant storage options from the Backup Recovery Systems Division and Isilon. So once you have a central unified archive in place, the content from the legacy applications can be migrated to the archive. The data gets converted into XML and a meaningful object is created. For example, a PO. It takes information from multiple relational tables and presents this in a meaningful way to authorise users through a portal or business application. This effectively removes all support and maintenance costs from the legacy environment. Now let's take a look at the active environment. According to Gartner, between 60 and 80% of data stored is static, so will no longer change or be updated. This is now read-only or reference data and means it is a target for archive. Take a purchase order or invoice that has been paid or closed. This can be moved based on business rules applied to certain data sets. For example, any purchase order that's been paid and is older than 1 year old, move weekly into the archive. This improves application performance, backup windows are reduced, and can also improve costs around software licensing. So in summary, InfoArchive enables IT transformation. It reduces business as usual cost, it frees infrastructure to use in other projects, it has infinitely flexible reporting from legacy data, and it ensures compliance.